Here we have the dog constructor function, which we can invoke to create objects with 4 of their own properties: age, weight, name, and bark. Instead of defining this bark method directly in the constructor, let's go ahead and move bark to the dog's prototype. Let's take out bark first. Now let's go ahead and define bark on the dog's prototype. No special tricks here, we can just use dot notation to define bark. We'll now call the dog constructor function to create a new object. Finally, let's invoke the bark method on this new dog. And here's the message Java says woof. Let's recap what happened. When we called the bark method on dog, the JavaScript engine will look through its own properties to try to find a name that matches the bark method. Since bark isn't defined directly in this dog, it will then look at the prototype for the bark method. As a result, we don't need to call dog.prototype.bark. All we need to call is just dog.bark. And this works because this dog object is already linked to the bark method via its prototype.